Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a quick little introduction to this wild little tractor thing that I just bought from my buddy Kevin. You probably saw it in the earlier clip. This is a couple of days later after I got it home. Did a little bit of investigating to it. It's actually a Briggs Stratton motor. Don't know the horsepower rating on it or anything, but the whole little thing, I mean, it is so cool. I had gone to his house last year and bought my LTD from him, and I saw this sitting over on the saw this thing sitting off to the side, and it just immediately intrigued me. So I knew I wanted it, but at the same time I knew I didn't have a use for it. So now I started a YouTube channel, so hey, I've got a use for it. Something good for the channel. This thing is wild. It is so cool. Like I said, Briggs Stratton single cylinder, some type of 3-speed gearbox is what I've been told. It looks like a Dana rear end, not exactly sure, but this is pretty cool. It has some kind of rake attachment on the back. I just wish I knew more about the story of this thing, because Kevin originally thought that his dad and some of his friends built it. Well, it comes to find out that his dad actually just bought it at an auction. But man, I just really wish I knew the story behind this thing, because I mean, it screams, you know, farm. So was it just something that someone built out of necessity, something they built out of fun, or built to have fun on? I don't know. But it is definitely something homemade for sure. But I just wanted to do a little introduction to it. It'll be on the channel probably sometime around July, August maybe. We're definitely going to do a will it run on it for sure. The motor does turn over, so that's great. We're off to a good start there. After I get it running, if I do, I don't know the direction I want to take it. I mean, should I like try to restore it, make a cowl for it for the engine? I mean, I don't know. You guys let me know what you'd like to see, but this is definitely some cool vintage farm equipment. And also, I also got this spare engine, so hopefully out of the two, one will be good. And it's also Briggs & Stratton. I haven't even looked at it, haven't even tried to figure out what size it is or anything. But if any of you guys are interested in seeing me get this thing running, do something with it, restore it, do whatever, you guys let me know down in the comments. I'm going to tag as much as I can to get as much interest as I can, because right now I don't have that many subscribers. I want to grow the channel, so I just thought something like this might gain a little traction. I'm sure that somebody out there is interested in this thing, but check back with me. Right now we've got the Mustang project, and it is taking up all of our time. It's priority right now. So like I said, summertime I'll be free to work on this thing, so you guys let me know what direction. Oh, and if you want a name for this thing, I'm all ears, because I have no idea what to call it except the homemade mini tractor. So let me know down in the comments.